preparation also going on? Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah, exam is more important. Festival will come every year, but NEET will not come every year now. Every year you are not going to give NEET exam now. So this year you can compromise little bit of your celebration for NEET exam, little bit compromise celebration for your Diwali, and you'll give more time for your preparation for the NEET exam. We should always work on priority. Right now your priority is to become doctor next year, not to celebrate Diwali. So that's why little bit celebration okay, but more time you have to invest for your dream. More time you have to invest for becoming doctor. Once you'll get selected, every day will be Diwali. Don't worry about it. Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem. So prepare for your chase exam in the best possible manner, no problem. Yeah, and shall we start with the class? Ruk rahe? Shall we start with the class? Shall we start with the class? Shuru kare? No problem, no problem. And I think in last class we were talking about rolling on inclined plane. Did we derive formula for final velocity on reaching ground, then rolling acceleration, then friction, then mu? All these formulas we derived. आगे बढ़ेंगे. Okay. Did we derive all this formula? No problem, it will be fine. Karangiri, don't worry. Yeah, okay. So all this formula I have written on the board. Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem. So while deriving, finally you realize that important is not derivation. Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem. While deriving, you realize derivation is not more important. Derivation is just for satisfaction. By derivation, we get satisfaction. Important is this formula. If you remember formula, you will get answer in the exam. If you don't remember formula, you will not get answer in the exam. Formula undi, answer undi. Formula ledu, answer ledu. This is a very simple thing that we get in rolling on inclined plane. So again I will write all the important formula, 4-5 formula which we got. Again I will write. Then again we will move further. Then we will do questions from there. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Time, did we talk about time? How to calculate time? How to calculate time? Did I said? Time done? Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah, okay, we will do questions from everywhere. Okay, time not done, no problem. I will tell you how to calculate time also. Nothing to worry, nothing to worry. Everything we will talk again. No problem, no problem. Yeah. So again we will start from the beginning. Now we will not talk about derivation. We will talk about all the important formula that will come here, which we have to remember and we have to use for solving our numerical. No problem, no problem. We will talk about everything. Yeah, okay, no problem, Srikar. Okay, we will talk about everything. Don't worry. Yeah, okay. So, first thing, I was saying you every inclined plane will have height h, angle of inclination will be theta, and then we also calculated distance on inclined plane. We also calculated this distance. For example, if length of inclined plane is L, you can calculate this L using trigonometry. Sin theta will be equal to opposite by hypotenuse h by L. So from here, length of inclined plane you can find h by sin theta. Because sometimes they don't ask height. Sometimes they ask how much distance body will move on the inclined plane. So whenever distance is asked, first calculate height. And once you calculate height using trigonometry, you can find distance on the inclined plane. We use this distance for calculating velocity also. No problem. Yeah. So after doing lots of calculation, finally we got final velocity on reaching ground will be coming as under root of 2gh by 1 plus k square by r square. This is the first result we got. Then we got rolling acceleration. If the body is rolling down the inclined plane, we call its acceleration as rolling acceleration. Rolling acceleration was our g sin theta by 1 plus k square by r square. Then we got value of friction. Value of friction will be coming as mg sine theta by 1 plus, you have to be careful. For till now we are everywhere we are using k square by r square, but for friction once you derive you'll find it will come mg sine theta by 1 plus, reverse will happen, r square by k square. And then we also got minimum value of coefficient of friction, mu minimum will be coming as tan theta by 1 plus, mu will be related with friction, so for friction you got r square by k square, so for mu also you will get tan theta by 1 plus r square by k square. Is all this formula we did in the last class? Is all this formula we got in the last class? बोल दो भाई. Is all this formula we got in the last class? Yeah, no problem. We'll do questions from here. Yeah, okay. Now this is rolling acceleration. One more thing I will tell you here. Just see here. Okay, no problem. Yeah. This is the rolling acceleration. Rolling acceleration means when body will roll on the inclined plane, how much acceleration body has is known as rolling acceleration. And when body don't roll on the inclined plane, I was saying you, for rolling on inclined plane, friction is mandatory. For example, if your inclined plane is smooth, friction is not there, rolling will not happen. And when rolling will not happen, we will call that body sliding down the inclined plane. Dhyan do. Till now this is rolling acceleration. Rolling acceleration means when body is rolling down the rough inclined plane, at that time acceleration of the body is known as rolling acceleration. But someone says, sir, friction is not present. If friction is not present, rolling will not happen, because if you remember, friction will give you torque for rotation. So if friction is not there, rolling will not happen. If rolling will not happen, body will slide the rough edge, body will slide the smooth inclined plane. And when body will slide the inclined plane, at that time we call that acceleration as sliding acceleration. And sliding acceleration we already studied. Value of sliding acceleration of smooth inclined plane will come g sine theta. Do you remember this? We already studied while dealing with smooth inclined plane. So you can add this part, because many times they ask ratio of rolling acceleration and sliding acceleration. They will say when rolling this is the acceleration, while sliding this is the acceleration. Find the ratio of these two accelerations. So you can find very easily. Sliding means body is not rolling, means friction is not present there. If friction is not present there, body will simply slide down. When body will slide down, you can write its acceleration as g sine theta. You have studied in NLM while dealing with acceleration on smooth inclined plane. Is it okay? Bol do bhai. We'll start with numerical. Everyone remembered all the formula? Everyone remembered all these results? एक बार बोल दो. Then I will revise with all of you. I forget. So come on, everyone will say, because it's tough to type this formula. You cannot type on message, yeah, okay. So once you have to speak all this formula with me. Once you speak, then your brain will be okay. These are the formula. So once everyone will speak with me, no problem. No one is there to see at home, but you can speak by yourself. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah. And don't worry. Sir, morning, if I'll speak, my mom will be awake. Daddy, yeah. In study, you should not care about anyone. Yeah, okay, no problem. Huh? If mom will wake up or someone will wake up, say to them, I'm studying. Okay, no problem. Huh? So come on, tell me, what is the formula for final velocity on reaching ground? Final velocity on reaching ground will be under root of 2gh by 1 plus k square by r square. Final velocity on reaching ground will be under root 2gh by 1 plus k square by r square. Final velocity under root of 2gh by 1 plus k square by r square. Rolling acceleration, sir, g sine theta by 1 plus k square by r square. Rolling acceleration, sir, g sine theta by 1 plus k square by r square. So sliding acceleration, g sine theta. Sliding acceleration, g sine theta. Sliding acceleration, g sine theta. So value of friction will be equal to, sir, mg sine theta by 1 plus r square by k square. In friction, reverse. Till now, everywhere we are using k square by r square, but for friction, it will come r square by k square. So friction value will become mg sin theta by 1 plus r square by k square. Mg sin theta by 1 plus r square by k square. So mu minimum will be equal to tan theta by 1 plus r square by k square. Mu minimum will be equal to tan theta by 1 plus r square by k square. Mu minimum will be equal to tan theta by 1 plus r square by k square. Is it okay? Everyone remembered? Everyone said these formulas. बोल दो भाई, बोल दो. Final velocity under root of 2gh by 1 plus k square by r square. Rolling acceleration g sin theta by 1 plus k square by r square. Friction will be equal to mg sin theta by 1 plus r square by k square. Minimum will be equal to tan theta by 1 plus r square by k square. No problem, no problem. Now ध्यान दो. One more thing. Just see here. Okay, no problem. We will do questions from here. But one more thing I will tell. Okay. Acha, always remember, if anyone asks you to calculate time, sir, we studied how to find velocity, we studied, sir, how to find acceleration, we studied, sir, but also tell us, sir, how to find time taken to reach to the bottom. So if anyone asks you time, you can simply use second equation of motion. For time, no formula is required. You can simply use second equation of motion. You will simply say, sir, when body will come from here to here, distance I know, acceleration I know, so time I can calculate. I will simply say, sir, for finding time, I will simply say you can use first equation of motion also, because you know final velocity v equal to u plus at. You know final velocity here, you know acceleration, you can calculate time from here. This is the first way to calculate time. But if you calculate using first equation of motion, sometimes calculation becomes lengthy. So better for calculating time, use second equation of motion. When body will come from here to here, I know the distance. So S will be equal to ut plus half at square. Now from here, S you know, S will be equal to L. This will become 0 because u is 0. So S equal to L. Distance travel will be L. L will be equal to half A into T square. So from here, time will be coming as under root of 2L by A. Or you can say from here, time will be inversely proportional to root A. That means if 2 times are asked, if ratio is asked, we can use T1 by T2 will be equal to under root of A2 by A1. This is how we can calculate time, or we can find ratio of time. We'll do one question from there, don't worry. For calculating time, you can use first equation also, no problem. But better use second equation, that will give you answer more easily. Because ultimately they will ask you ratio of the time taken by two different body. Ratio of time taken by two different body, L will be same, 2 will be same, T will be inversely proportional to root A. That means T1 by T2 will be equal to under root of A2 by A1. A2 and A1 value you can calculate, because you know A will be equal to G sin theta by 1 plus K square by R square. Is it okay? Done. Bolo bhai. Is it okay? And if L is not given, height is given, theta is given, you can find distance moved on inclined plane using trigonometry. Yeah. So let's start with one question. You write. A solid sphere. You write a solid sphere. We'll start with one question where we'll use all this formula. You write, a solid sphere is rolling down. A solid sphere is rolling down an inclined plane. A solid sphere is rolling down an inclined plane. A solid sphere is rolling down an inclined plane of height h and angle theta. A solid sphere is rolling down an inclined plane of height h and angle theta. Find first question, final velocity on reaching ground. You can write like this, no problem. Second, what is its rolling acceleration, or simply we can say what will be its acceleration. That means rolling acceleration. Yeah. Third, what is sliding acceleration. Fourth, ratio of rolling acceleration and sliding acceleration. This is also previous year NEET question. This is previous year NEET question. This is previous year NEET question. Fifth question, you can assume mass as m, so value of friction. Sixth question, mu minimum. Just formula based. No need to tell complete answer. You can only tell me the numbers which will come. For example, if 2 by 3 g sin theta by 2 by 3 g sin theta is coming, so you can simply say 2 by 3. No need to say under root coming, sir, g coming. Only numbers you can say. Ha, Syam, very good. Amrut, very good. Directly formula based. If you remember formula, you get answer. If you don't remember, you will not get answer. Formula undi, answer undi, formula ledu, answer ledu. This is purely formula based. Kavita, 7 by 5 or 5 by 7? Rolling acceleration. Correct. Syam, correct. Come on, everyone, give answer fast, Baba. People are very slow, very slowly giving the answer. Rolling acceleration will come 5 by 7. 5 by 7 g sin theta. Ratio will also come 5 by 7. Lakshmi Mansa has given all the answers. Very good, Lakshmi. Bahut badhiya. Very good. All answers given. Pujita has given answer for rolling acceleration. Likita has given. Gyaneshwar has given. Not 7 by 5, 5 by 7. Gyaneshwar, once you can check. Fatima given answer. I think everyone will get, no problem. But be careful while calculating friction and mu. Because here k square by r square will not be used. Here r square by k square you have to use. So you have to be careful while calculating mu and friction. People do mistake while calculating mu and friction. Okay, very good. No problem. Vanilla has given answer. Amrut has given all the answers. Very good. Vanilla has given answer for friction. Very good. Okay, Gyaneshwar, I think everyone will get. We already know the formula. If you remember formula, you will get the answer. So velocity on reaching ground will be, sir, under root of 2gh by 1 plus k square by r square. Sir, which body is this? Solid sphere. For solid sphere, we studied k square by r square will be 2 by 5. So 2 by 5. Once you add this, here it will become 7 by 5. 5 will go in numerator. It will become under root of 10 gh by 7. This is the answer for the first part. No problem. So rolling acceleration also we know the formula, sir. G sin theta by 1 plus k square by r square. K square by r square will be again 2 by 5. Now this will become 7 by 5. 5 will go 5g sin theta by 7. Sir, sliding acceleration, no need to calculate. We already know that is, sir, g sin theta. If anyone asks me ratio of this acceleration, I can simply divide. This ratio will come 5 by 7. No problem. Yeah, Likita, correct. No problem. Yeah. Friction, we already know, sir. Friction, we have to be careful. Mg sin theta by 1 plus r square by k square. Here it is not k square by r square. Here it is r square by k square. So this will become, sir, mg sin theta by 1 plus. Now k square by r square was 2 by 5. So r square by k square will become 5 by 2. Now from here if you solve, this will become 7 by 2. 2 will go in numerator. This will become 2 mg sine theta by 7. This is the value of frictional force. Mu minimum, if anyone asks us, sir, first I will write the formula. Tan theta by 1 plus r square by k square. Now, so tan theta by 1 plus r square by k square. Now, sir, for solid sphere, k square by r square was 2 by 5. So, r square by k square will be, sir, 5 by 2. So, this will become 2 tan theta by 7. How many of you got all answers correct? Come on, you can say me. How many of you got all answers correct? Yeah, Likita, very good. Huh? How many of you got all answers correct? Tulasi got, very good. Yeah, easy, formula based. Akash got, very good. Vanilla got. Yusuf, what is explaining for fourth part, Baba? Ratio you already know. Kalangiri got, Ravi got, Syam got, Likita got, Vardhan got, Tejashvi got, Pujita got, Vagdevi got. Yeah, okay. Sila got, very good. Harsha got, Srikar got. Jashwant got, Naga Babu got. I think everyone got. No problem, sir. No problem. Easy. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah. So sliding means, Baba, g sine theta. Sliding means rolling is not happening. Are you studied about sliding in? If inclined plane is rough, then only rolling will happen. Now sliding means inclined plane is now smooth. No rolling is happening. If no rolling is happening, then we have to get sliding acceleration, which we studied in NLM, g sine theta. Yeah. Okay, Akash, बहुत बढ़िया. Kushma also got, Bhagyashree also got, Dipti also got. No problem. I will give you one more question. Come on, do one more question. Do one more question. You write. If angle of inclination is 45 degree, if angle of inclination is 45 degree, then find the minimum coefficient of friction. If angle of inclination is 45 degree, then find the minimum coefficient of friction. Then find the minimum coefficient of friction. If rolling body is a disc, then find the minimum coefficient of friction if rolling body is disc. If rolling body is disc, 2 by 3 will come. 2 by 3 or 1 by 3. Be careful. It's not k square by r square. This is what I'm telling you. People are still using it's r square by k square. 2 by 3 is wrong. 1 by 3 will come. Hanudeep, check your answer. Harita, check your answer. You are doing mistake. Sanam, check your answer. Arey Baba, how many times I have to say? You have to be careful while finding mu and friction. Remant, very good. Tejashwani, very good. Now Anudeep corrected answer. Yeah, Sham, very good. You have to be careful. This is what I'm saying you. Because from the beginning we have habit of using k square by r square. Now any situation k square by r square. That's why I said you while calculating friction and while calculating mu, be careful. Take a pause, then solve. Yeah, I'll simply say. So people do mistake. That's why I gave you this question. Sir, mu, first write the formula. Sir, mu minimum will be equal to, sir, tan theta by 1 plus. Now it's not k square by r square. This is what I'm trying to tell you from the beginning. Last two formula are not k square by r square. They are r square by k square. Reverse. So this will become tan theta is 45 by 1 plus. Sir, body is a disc. For disc, k square by r square was 1 by 2. But here we don't require k square by r square. Here we require, sir, r square by k square. Sir, k square by r square for disc was 1 by 2. But here you don't require k square by r square. You require reversal. So r square by k square will become, sir, 2 by 1. Or in short, we can say 2. So 1 plus 2. Tan 45, 1. So 1 by 3. Is it okay? Yeah. Kalgi, you can calculate everything, no problem. Yeah. So be careful while calculating friction. Yeah. Be careful while calculating friction and mu. Now do one more question. Come on. I will now give you to calculate time. Come on. You write. Right. Find the ratio of time taken by a solid sphere. Find the ratio of time taken by a solid sphere and a hollow sphere. Find the ratio of time taken by a solid sphere and a hollow sphere to roll down same inclined plane. 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 So for time, first you'll use second equation, L equal to half AT square, T will be equal to under root of 2L by A. That means T will be inversely proportional to root A because 2 is same, L is same. That's why I said same inclined plane. Then you will calculate A for solid sphere, A for hollow sphere separately. Then you can get the answer. Or no need to calculate separately. Directly also you can do. No problem. Yeah. We already know, that's why I said no need to remember any formula. You will say, sir, how many formulas? So simply, sir, second equation of motion will be L equal to half AT square. From here, T will come, sir, under root of 2L by A. That means T will be inversely proportional to root A. Now that means T1 by T2 will be equal to under root of, inversely proportional means under root of A2 by A1. Then you will put the value. Hanudeep, very good. Remant, very good. Shyam, your answer seems to be wrong. Jyoti, very good. Jyoti, very good. Lakshmi, Manasa, also very good. Yeah. Tulsi doing calculation mistake. Rupa, very good. Amrut, very good. Dhanush, very good. Gyaneshwar, you are writing reverse answer. Pujita, reverse answer. Both option can be present. Under root of 21 by 25 or under root of 25 by 21. You have to be careful. It is coming inversely, so you will simply say, sir, time of solid sphere by time of hollow sphere, this ratio will come acceleration of hollow sphere by acceleration of solid sphere. Ratio is reverse na baba. T1 by T2 will be equal to A2 by A1. So time of solid sphere by time of hollow sphere will come under root of acceleration reverse na, inversely proportional na. So that's fine. Now you can put the value. Now you know for hollow sphere acceleration will come, sir, G sin theta by 1 plus K square by R square. For hollow sphere you know K square by R square will be 2 by 3. Now solid sphere, sir, again G sin theta by 1 plus K square by R square. That is 2 by 5. Now from here little calculation is there. You have to be careful while doing calculation. You have to be careful while doing calculation. It's all about formula and calculation. G sin theta cancel. This will become 5 by 3. 3 will go up. 3 plus 2, 5. So this will become 5 by 3. So this will finally become 3 by 5. And this will finally become 5 by 7. This will become 5 by 7. This will become 1 by 7 by 5. 5 will go here, so 5 by 7. Now if you solve this, this will become. Now this 7 will come in numerator, this 5 will go in denominator. So 7 into 3, 21. 5 into 5, 25. So our answer will come under root of 21 by 25. So you have to be careful because one option may be 25 by 21 also. If you are getting answer 25 by 21 means you are using ratio wrongly. You are using T1 by T2 equal to under root of A1 by A2. That's wrong. So that's why you should you should be careful. Is it okay? Is it okay? Bol do bhai, bol do. Come on. Is it okay? If you feel difficulty here, then separately calculate. Sir, I am feeling difficulty, how this cancellation? So separately calculate acceleration of hollow sphere, separately calculate acceleration of solid sphere, then put there. Then also you'll get answer. If you feel calculation tough, I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. See all this situation. We will move further. We will move further. One more part we will talk here. Tulsi, definitely you can simplify, Baba. Everything you will not ask, na. So saying, can I write, sir, root 25? You can write, no problem. Srikar, you can write, no problem. Tulsi, you can write. Everything you, no need to ask from me, na, Baba. You can do further calculation depending on option. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. See all these situations. Once completed, you can say done, sir. We will move further. We will start with one more part. One last part we will talk here. Once completed, you can say done, sir. No Harsha, no class will be there. Preparation. And once I will say done, sir, you will start saying done, sir, no problem, no problem. Yeah, OPika ledu, sir. Why to have OPika? Come on, doctor banna hai. Come on, doctor banna hai. So there should not be, till we will not become doctor, we will not have any OPika. After becoming doctor only, we will get OPika. We have hunger for becoming doctor. Hunger is there, and once hunger is there, OPika is ledu. No problem, yeah. Okay, we are just about to complete our first year syllabus also. Don't worry, yeah, okay, no problem, yeah, okay. Acha, one last thing is left here. So dhyan dena, be focused. Important situation, just see. Important situation given in NCERT 2-3 times, yeah. No problem, Akash, don't worry, yeah, okay, Okay. Tomorrow, let's see. Khaji, let's see what we can do. No problem. Yeah, okay. Dhyan do, be focused. Just see here. Yeah, okay. Acha, you tell me. Till now, I am talking about ring, disc, hollow sphere, solid sphere. Okay, 5th May, 5:20, OPika will come. Thoda yahan dhyan do. Tomorrow exam is there or not there, you'll get the information. Let me complete, Baba. One more important concept is left. It will may come in your NEET exam. 2-3 times they have simply asked this situation only. So dhyan dena, be focused. Just see. Yeah, okay. Achha, for example, assume ring is there, disc is there, hollow sphere is there, solid sphere is there. These are the 4 bodies which can roll now. We are talking about these 4 bodies now. For example, if I took all of these 4 bodies to the top of inclined plane. I took all these 4 bodies to the top of inclined plane. And I release them. Can you tell me? And if all these bodies are rolling down, inclined plane is rough, friction is present there. Now, if these all bodies are rolling down the inclined plane, can you tell me who will reach bottom first? Who will win the race? If I'm having race between hollow sphere, solid sphere, ring and disc on inclined plane, who will be the winner? Ring or disc or hollow sphere or solid sphere? Some people, full guessing game is going on. कुछ भी बोल दो. Ring बोल दो, sphere बोल दो. Answer will be solid sphere. Many people said solid sphere. Yeah, solid sphere. Answer will be solid sphere. Yeah, some people are saying solid sphere. Then they can also tell me why. Winner will be solid sphere. First rank will go to solid sphere. Those who are saying solid sphere, they can tell me why. Why solid sphere will the winner of the race? Very good. People are giving me idea. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah, friction will be there, Baba. Without friction, rolling will not happen. Yeah. Now you can write. Okay, no problem. Many people are giving answer. No problem. More inertia value. Why more inertia value? Dhyan do, no problem. Many people said. Very good. You can write race between rolling bodies. Many people have said correct answer, no problem. I will tell you how to identify race between rolling bodies. Race between rolling bodies. So assume this is the inclined plane, no problem. Famous question. Assume this is the inclined plane, no problem. Angle of inclination is given theta. Now we are going to have race between rolling bodies. Race between rolling bodies means all the four bodies that we have studied, we are going to put on inclined plane. And all of them we are allowing to roll down the rough inclined plane. Yeah, okay. So this is the race going on. We have all the four bodies that we have studied. All the four bodies which can roll on the surface we have taken. First body is ring, second is disc, then hollow sphere, then solid sphere. And always remember, sometimes in the NEET they will not give you ring. In place of ring they will give you hollow cylinder. So be careful. Be careful. In the place of ring they will give you hollow cylinder. In place of disc, come on, tell me, in place of disc. In place of disc. In place of disc, jaldi batao. In place of disc, Are Baba. They can give you solid cylinder. So be careful. In place of disc, they can give you solid cylinder. Sometimes in place of hollow cylinder, they can give you spherical shell. Hollow sphere is also known as shell. Generally they don't give. For ring they will give you hollow cylinder. For disc they will give you solid cylinder. For hollow sphere they can give you shell. Spherical shell. Shell means hollow sphere. And fourth one is our solid sphere. No other name is for solid sphere. Now we are going to have race between these particles, these bodies. We are going to have race between all these bodies. Surface is rough, means bodies are doing rolling motion. Rolling is happening. All the bodies are coming down the rough inclined plane with rolling motion. They are not sliding, they are rolling on the inclined plane because friction is present there. Now dhyan do. Yeah, okay, no problem. Not solid shell. Shell means hollow. Gyaneshwar, shell means hollow. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah. Dhyan do, just see here. Now I will say, sir, how to know that who will be winner, sir? Who will reach first, sir? I don't know, but one thing I know. The person who will run fast will be the winner. Winner of any race, you cannot win the race by walking slowly. Dhyan do. I don't know, sir, who will reach first. I don't know the time. But one thing I know, sir, the person who will have more velocity will win the race. The person who will have more velocity means it will also have more velocity, it will also have more acceleration. Time will be less. If velocity is more, acceleration is more, time will be less. And if time is less, that person will be the winner. I don't know who will reach first, who will reach last, all these things I don't know. But one thing is clear in my mind, that the person who will move fast will win the race. The person who will move fast will have more velocity, will have more acceleration, and will have minimum time. And that minimum time will be the winner of race. That means we have to ultimately see the velocity. Velocity dekhna hai. And velocity we already know na. Already you studied now. Velocity on reaching ground will be under root of 2gh by 1 plus k square by r square. Sir, that means, sir, if you want the winner, you have to see who is having more velocity or who is having more acceleration. You can think with velocity also, you can think with acceleration also, no problem. I will think with velocity. The person who is going to win the race will have more velocity. Now velocity formula we already know, under root of 2gh by 1 plus k square by r square. Now if you observe carefully, you will realize for all the bodies 2gh will be same. For all the bodies 1 will be same. What will be different for all the bodies? K square by r square. And for every body under root of 2gh will be same, 1 will be same. Different will be k square by r square. That means deciding factor is k square by r square. And from here you can see clearly it is reverse. If k square by square is more, denominator will be more, velocity will be less. That means from here I can say, sir, if k square by r square will be more, velocity will be less. Or we can say, sir, if k square by r square is less, velocity will be more. Now you tell me, for which body k square by r square is minimum? For which body k square by r square is minimum? Batao. For which body k square by r square is minimum? Minimum for which body? अरे बोलो बोलो भाई, for which body k square by r square is minimum? For which body k square? Solid sphere. अरे ring maximum, बाबा पागल हो गए हो क्या? For ring k square by r square is maximum. अरे write कर लो value. अरे you studied k square by r square. If you see, for ring k square by r square was 1. For disk 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. For hollow sphere 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means 0.66. For solid sphere it is 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means 0.4. Now you can see. Okay, no problem. Now you can see. K square by r square is maximum for ring na. For ring, k square by r square is maximum, means velocity will be minimum for ring. Means ring will reach last. Then hollow sphere. Then disk. And first position will go to solid sphere. I will simply say, sir, for solid sphere, k square by r square is minimum na. That means velocity will be maximum for solid sphere. If velocity is maximum for solid sphere acceleration will be also maximum. Its time will be minimum. So winner of race will be solid sphere. So from here we can get, from these values we can get relate their velocity. So always remember, velocity of solid sphere will come maximum. Tarvata, after who will have more velocity? After solid sphere who will have more velocity? Jaldi batao. After solid sphere who will have more velocity? Maximum will come for solid sphere. After solid sphere who will have more velocity? Jaldi batao. Disk. Second position will go to disk. Third position will go to hollow sphere, and last position will go for ring. And same thing you can do for acceleration also, because velocity more means acceleration more. Acceleration of solid sphere will be maximum, then acceleration of disk, then acceleration of hollow sphere, then acceleration of ring. Now velocity is maximum for solid sphere, means time of solid sphere will be minimum. Then time taken by disk, then time taken by hollow sphere, then maximum time will be taken by ring. So always remember here, number 1 position will go to ring, number 1 position will go to solid sphere, and 4th rank will go to ring. So our solid sphere will be winner of the race and ring will be loser of the race. Is it okay? So first position will go to solid sphere, last position will go to ring. Ardhminda sir, very good, yeah. You can say in the terms of friction also, no problem. Any way you can do, no problem, yeah. And if you wish, yeah, okay, no problem. And one more thing, yeah, okay. So come on, tell me, who is the winner of the race? Who is the winner? Okay, no problem, Shyam, yeah. Who is the winner? Jaldi batao, who is the winner of the race? Solid sphere, yeah. Okay, अरे wait करो भाई, solid sphere, yeah. अच्छा, okay, no problem. अच्छा, who is the loser of the race? Who is the loser? No, always remember, ध्यान दो. Okay, no problem, guys, yeah. ध्यान दो. This is wrong. I should not write loser. Always remember one thing, those who participate in the race na, they are not loser, Baba. If you don't participate in the race, then you are the loser. Ring has tried na, Baba. Ring has tried na. So always remember, ring is not loser. You cannot call anyone loser. Ring is actually fighting for getting rank one, not getting rank one. That is different. So ring is actually a fighter. And if tomorrow Kohli will not hit century in the match, will we call him at loser? No. He has tried na, Baba. Every day you cannot win the race na. Every day, if you don't participate in the race, you are the loser. You are definitely loser. But if you are participating in the race, you are trying fully, then maybe you will win or not win, that is different. But you are not loser. You are fighter. Fight kiya sir, fight kiya. Jeeta nahi jeeta, it's different. Playing is important. Losing or winning is two sides of the coin. Someone will lose, someone will win. You have to be fighter. And those who fight, they only win. Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. Is it okay? Is it okay? Everyone understood? Pan bar is secret of myself. Okay, Manas. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah, that is the correct. That is everywhere in the life. Last year you were not loser. This year you gave NEET exam now. Many of you tried well now, but you did not got selected. That means you are not. That doesn't mean you are loser. You fight for it. This year you are fighting. Fight more harder. Fight more harder, and become winner next year. That is the rule of life. Yeah. No problem. No problem. No problem. Now dhyan do. If you wish, you can remember this ranking with the help of one shortcut. Because many times in the NEET or exam pressure, you may forget how to get all these things. So you can remember this ranking simply like this. Simply you can remember with the help of one shortcut. SDHR. Solid sphere, disc, hollow sphere, ring. You can see here. SDHR. And you can remember like self dabba, human rights. Self dabba, human rights. This is how you can remember. SDHR. Yeah, all of you will be winner, don't worry. Yeah. SDHR. Self dabba, human rights. Sudhir, wow, correct. Tulsi, yes, Sudhir, that's better, Wow, Sudhir. Yeah, but in exam don't write, that's correct. I am thinking how to get it, yeah. Self-dabba human rights, Sudhir also you can remember. SDHR, yeah, SDHR, come on. Where you are going, SDHR? What you are eating, SDHR? When you slept, SDHR is in my blood, SDHR, self-dabba human rights. That is in our blood. We have self-dabba in our blood and we have human rights in our blood. So that's why combine both of them, SDHR. Or Sudhir. Or Sardar. Yeah. Satdar. Yeah. But you'll get, yeah. Okay. So anyway, you can remember. No problem. Yeah. Self-dabba human rights. All human have human rights inside themselves. We always fight for our rights. And in our blood, self-dabba is natural. Siddharth, Saurabh Dubey, right? And if you want to, then you can, yeah. Stylish Dubey Rebel Star. In the class they made yesterday. Stylish Dubey Rebel Star. Okay. Stylish Dubey Rebel handsome star. Handsome something. Forget it. Yeah. SDHR better. No problem. Self-dabba human rights. Yeah. Now dhyan do. Okays. No problem. Dhyan do. Don't miss the concept. One more thing is there. Okay, no problem. Sir, I know, sir. SDHR, that is the ranking. Now dhyan do. One more thing. Yeah, okay. Acha, you tell me. Now I will ask from you. Now you tell me. Acha, assume Someone gave this inclined plane to be smooth. We remember all these for rolling bodies. Someone said by mistake in the question came, in the above situation, if inclined plane is smooth, then what will happen? If inclined plane is smooth, then what will happen? Smooth means friction ledu. Friction ledu means rolling ledu. Rolling ledu means sliding acceleration. Sliding acceleration same for all the bodies. So in that situation, all the bodies will reach bottom at the same time with same velocity and same acceleration. You can write this point. Very good, very good. All will be winner. You can write. In the above situation, if inclined plane is frictionless, then no rolling will happen. In the above situation, if inclined plane is frictionless, then no rolling will happen. In the above situation, if inclined plane is frictionless, then no rolling will happen. And all the bodies will reach bottom. In above situation, if inclined plane is frictionless, then no rolling will happen. And all the bodies will reach bottom. Then all the bodies will reach bottom, sliding down with same acceleration. And all bodies will reach bottom, sliding down with same acceleration and same velocity. Same acceleration and same velocity at the same time. So always remember, if friction is not there, rolling will not happen. If rolling will not happen, bodies will simply slide down. If bodies will simply slide down, sliding acceleration g sine theta, which is same for all bodies, then in that situation, all bodies will reach bottom with same acceleration, same velocity, and at the same time. Everything will be same, yeah. And at the same time means time is also same, baba. Yeah, okay, no problem, yeah. All will be winner. Just like our Srigo slides, yeah. Everyone will be winner. No problem, yeah. Okay, now you can write one point. Come on, we can write one point, one statement, last statement of our first year syllabus. You can write. Achha, tell me, which friction acts during rolling? Which friction acts during rolling? Here we are talking the friction will act. Which friction is that? Static or kinetic? Which friction is that? Static or kinetic? By final, it's a static friction, not rolling friction. It's a static friction. You can write this. Come on. You write. You can write it's static friction. It's not kinetic friction. It's not rolling friction. It's a static friction. You write. Okay. Okay, I will tell. No problem. Yeah, you can write. While rolling, you can write the statement. While rolling, work done by friction. While rolling, work done by friction. While rolling, work done by friction. While rolling, work done by friction, in bracket static. This friction is our actually static friction. While rolling, work done by friction, in bracket static, will be zero. While rolling, work done by friction, in bracket static, will be always zero. Hence, Friction will never bring loss in energy. Hence, friction will never bring loss in energy. Hence, friction will never bring loss in energy. Mechanical energy will be conserved. Hence, friction will not bring loss in energy. Mechanical energy will be conserved. Only its form will change. Only its form will change. Only its form will change. So always remember, work done by friction while rolling will be always zero. And if work done by friction will be zero, friction will not bring loss in your energy. Your mechanical energy will be only conserved. Your energy will only change its form. Means translational will convert to rotational, rotational will convert to translational, will convert to potential energy, will convert to kinetic energy. Friction can never do any work in rolling. Friction can never bring any loss in energy. Now you'll be simply thinking, sir, why friction will not bring any loss in energy? Why you are so sure, sir? Why you are so sure that work done by friction will be zero? Why you are so sure that work done by friction will be zero in rolling? So always remember, work done by any force work you calculate with the help of Fs cos theta na baba. You calculate work with the help of Fs cos theta na. Now if you look at friction is acting here. And friction will act at the point of contact na baba. Here friction will act. Here friction will act. So yeah, yeah, okay Kusma. Rolling only you have to study. So point is only in the case of rolling. Translation it will do work. Yeah. So work done by every force you write as Fs cos theta na. Now you know friction will act at the bottom. So frictional force is F. But if you look at now, what is velocity of the bottom? I told you now in the rolling velocity of the bottom is zero. And the velocity of the contact is zero. Velocity of the bottom is zero. Friction is acting here. And what is velocity of this point? Zero. That means what is displacement of this bottommost point? Displacement is zero. That means if displacement is zero, work is Fs cos theta. Since displacement is zero, work done by friction will be zero. And if work done by friction is zero, that means we are not going to have any loss in energy. बोलो बोलो समझ में आया क्या? And this is the reason friction acting is our static friction. This is the reason. Because here this point, you know, wherever two surfaces are at rest with respect to each other, when no motion is there, friction acting is static. Here no motion is there. And this is at rest na baba. This point is at rest na. So that's why friction acting is static. अरे बोल दो कुछ समझ में आया? कुछ समझ में आया? Why friction is static? Why friction is not doing work? Friction is not acting at the center. Friction is acting at the point of contact. And what is velocity of point of contact? Sunna. Velocity sunna means displacement sunna. Displacement sunna means work zero. A body is rolling. That's different. When sliding is there, kinetic friction. Yeah. When sliding is there, definitely kinetic friction, baba. If sliding is there, kinetic friction will be there. So this is how we have completed. Body may be in motion. Friction is not acting at center. Friction is acting at point. So this point displacement you have to see. You don't have to see entire body displacement. Point displacement is zero. So work will be zero. So this is how we have talked about, and that is how slowly we have completed our first year syllabus. First year syllabus. IPO in the next class we will start with. Next class we'll start with our second year syllabus. So this is how we have talked about. More situations from here we have completed successfully. More situations from here we'll be talking in our next class. For today we'll be ending here only. Tata, bye 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 bye. Last statement of first year is everyone is fighter, no one is the loser. It's matter of time. Work hard and fighters will become winner. Come on. Yeah. Jai Valaya.